add your cream cheese, add condensed milk, add raspberry jam, give it all a really good mix. In a different bowl, add your double cream or whipped cream. We're going to whisk it for a couple of minutes until it's nice and fluffy, but make sure you don't over whisk it. Add your cream into your raspberry mixture. Add fresh raspberries. Give it all a really good mix. Into your bowl, add your eggs. Add sugar. Add milk. Add water. Add your oil. Lastly, add your flour and cocoa powder right into your bowl, and I'm sifting it through. The batter needs to be very smooth and very runny. Take your pan, take a full ladle of your mixture, pour it into the pan and then move it across all the way around to create a nice circle. We're going to cook this on a medium-low heat until I can flip this around. You can move it on the sides, take it from one end, and then just gently flip over. So once all your pancakes are done, I've got about 15 layers here. I'm gonna let them cool down. I have just taken out my cream from the fridge and you can see it's nice and set. I found that the best way to assemble this cake is by using a cake tin. So we're going to place each pancake inside, then add a generous amount of cream. And you want to spread that around. Add the last layer on top. I have melted some dark chocolate and we're going to pour this all over our cake. Our cake goes into the fridge overnight. So run a knife around the cake. We're going to need icing sugar, 1 orange, flour, pinch of salt, milk, butter and 1 egg. In a bowl, add your milk, squeezed orange juice, melted butter. Grate some orange zest into your bowl. Take 1 ladle of the mixture and pour it right into your pan and then move it around. We're going to need milk, flour, cocoa powder, sugar, a little bit of salt and eggs. oil or cooking spray into your pan. Take 1 ladle of the mixture, pour it at the end, and then move it down so it covers the whole pan. And then we're going to cook it for a few minutes and turn it around. Once your pancakes are done, you can serve them with whatever topping you like. Peel and cut your banana. Place your chocolate pancake onto a plate. Add Nutella. Add your bananas. Now let's make the bellini. In a bowl, add your eggs and then sugar and salt. Then you want to whisk this on high speed until your mixture doubles. Then you want to add milk and sift your flour straight in there, and then using a whisk, mix it all again. Then add your oil and mix everything one more time and your mixture is ready to go. Make sure your pan is nice and hot, and you want to add your first ladle on top and then swirl it around and cook it for a few minutes on each side. Your first pancake might not be good, but just keep going and then you will have a stack of delicious blintjiki. In a bowl, add cream cheese, then vanilla extract and some cream. You want to whisk this on low speed until all your mixture kind of becomes equal and even. Then add icing sugar. You might want to use a spoon to incorporate everything, otherwise your whole kitchen will be covered in icing sugar. And whisk it further until it becomes nice and smooth. Place your pancake on top of your board, and you want to add your cream cheese filling right in the middle, about 1 tablespoon. Spread it around, and then you're gonna start rolling out your pancake. So you can either leave it like this in terms of the cream cheese, because the filling is already quite sweet, and just carefully roll it up into this long roll up, so it should look just like that. It's very gentle, so just be very careful. I'll show you my favorite way to eat them. So I'm adding my cream cheese filling again, but I'm topping it up with some fresh berries. So I'm gonna add some fresh blueberries inside, and then also some strawberries, and it tastes so good, and it's like my brunch idea for Saturdays. So you just want to roll it up. As it's bigger, just be very careful, and when it's done, if you're serving them straight away, you want to add a little bit of oil in your pan and then fry them for a few minutes on each side until they get crispy golden brown color. This way you're going to get crispy topping, very soft middle, with bursting with flavor and berries, and then also decorated with some icing sugar. And if you wanted to add some more berries, oh my god guys, I'm salivating just looking at this. Add some caramel sauce or ice cream or whatever you want to serve it with, and enjoy guys. It's super delicious, very creamy, very fruity, and I think it's a perfect brunch food. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me a big fat like and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Take your apples and peel them. Then we're going to cut them in half and deseed them, and then cut them into small bite pieces just like that. Add butter into your pan and make sure it's half melted. Then we're going to add sugar and mix everything together. Then add water and mix everything again. add your cut apples. Coat them in sugar and butter mixture, then add your spices with cinnamon. Mix everything again, and we're going to slowly cook this for about 5 minutes. Once your pancakes have cooled down, we're going to place them onto a board, add your apple cinnamon filling, and roll it up starting from the bottom all the way to the middle, and then from the sides, and you get a nice beautiful crepe just like that. If you're planning to eat them straight away, fry them in a bit of oil until they're nice and golden and brown. Otherwise, keep them in the fridge or freezer.